Hello everyone! I'm Tiara Kirzi Morales from Section Jose Rizal. Today, let's do an experiment about what will happen to my tissue paper. Here are the materials we need. A piece of tissue paper, tin can, and a match. Let's get started! First, place a piece of tissue paper in a dry, clean, and empty tin can. Then, burn the tissue using a matchstick. Be careful, do not touch the tin can since it gets hot easily. You need the assistance of an adult while doing this. Lastly, investigate the changes that happen to the tissue paper when heat is applied. What happened to it? Chemical change happens when heat is applied and the materials change its size, shape, color, and smell. A new material is formed. What was produced? During the burning process, the paper released smoke and changed its chemical composition. That's all. Thank you.